Welcome to WTF, Weekly Tech Feed, where WTF stands for What's the Fix? Not who told finance to click that? This week's WTF, Cybercrime-as-a-Service. Hackers are no longer building attacks from scratch. They're renting them. Ransomware kits, phishing templates, and even AI-powered attack bots are now available for a monthly fee. Yes, cybercrime has gone SaaS. That NHS ransomware attack in the UK was likely built using one of these dark web kits. So here's the question. Would you rather rely on criminals running CaaS or a trusted MSP with over 25 years of experience and clients who have stayed with us for over a decade? We are still growing the right way by helping businesses stay protected. Meanwhile, Apple's WWDC 2025 kicks off this week. The big headline? Apple Intelligence, AI features expected to be built deep into iPhones, Macs, and even Siri. It sounds exciting, but with new tools comes new risks. Business owners, get ready. AI in your users' hands means your security strategy needs to evolve too. So this week's Tech Fix. Cybercrime is now on demand. Apple's gearing up to unleash built-in AI, and computer doctoring is here to help. No dark web required. Watch this episode on YouTube or LinkedIn. Need support with training, policies, or a complete security plan? Let's talk. Connect with us at 2189-787-0666 book a free 15-minute introductory call from a booking link. This has been your WTF Weekly Tech Feed. See you next week.